Hi students, today alternate method to solve the pair of linear equations ax by b minus by a is equal to a plus b and ax minus by is equal to 2ab. In previous method, this is the alternate method. In previous method, I divided this equation by b to make first term same equal. Now I will multiply this equation by b so as to make first term equal. See, ax by b minus by a is equal to a plus b. I am multiplying it with b because I want to make first term equal. See, if you multiply ax by b with b, b cancel, b cancel, and you will get ax. Like that, I am multiplying this equation by b. It becomes ax by b into b minus by a into b, a plus b into b. Next, see, I have taken down same, this equation I am multiplying with 1. I have taken the same equation. See, ax by b into b, you will get ax. This implies ax minus b into b square. B square y by a is equal to a into b, ab, b into b square. Next, I have taken same second equation. This is the second equation. This is first equation. I have taken same second equation. Same I have taken ax minus by is equal to 2ab. I want to make first term equal. I am subtracting, both are plus sign, plus sign. Both are having plus signs. That's why I am subtracting this equation from this equation, subtracting. Plus ax becomes minus ax, minus becomes plus. Here plus is there, plus becomes minus. Plus ax minus ax cancel. We will get plus by minus b square y by a is equal to ab plus b square minus 2ab. ab plus b square minus 2ab. Now you take y common. You take y common here. You will get b here. I have taken b here minus b square by a. Already y is there. I have taken common here. Is equal to ab minus 2ab minus ab. I have taken b square. Then ab minus 2ab minus ab. You got y is equal to, here you see, I have taken same thing, y is y into, I have taken LCM, a is the LCM, a into b, ab minus same a you are having minus b square is equal to b square minus ab. Now y is equal to b square minus ab, here it is multiplying. Here it comes and divides a b square minus ab. Now b square minus ab divided by, it multiplies here. Now here it divides. Now y is equal to b square minus ab into, if you multiplication is there, you know, you can reverse it. A by ab minus b square. Now here b square minus ab is there. But here ab minus b square. You take y is equal to, you take minus common. B square minus ab becomes ab minus b square. You see, minus ab, minus into minus, plus b square you are getting. If you write minus here, if you put minus here, b square minus ab can be written as ab minus b square into a by ab minus b square. ab minus b square and ab minus b square cancel. You are having y is equal to minus a. You got y is equal to minus a. I am substituting y is equal to minus a in second equation to get the value of x. See, here you see ax minus by is there. Y is nothing but minus a is equal to 2ab. Ax minus into minus plus ab is equal to 2ab. Here ax is equal to 2ab minus ab. You are getting ab x is equal to AB by A cancel. You are getting x is equal to B. You got x is equal to B here. Now verification whether your answer is true or false. You got x is equal to B and y is equal to minus A. Substitute the values of x and y in second equation or first equation. Any one of the equations you substitute x is equal to B and y is equal to minus A. You must get RHS. Say I have taken this equation, second equation. I substituted in LHS. AX minus BY. I have taken LHS and substituted the value of x, that is B, and y is equal to minus A. AB minus B into y. Instead of y, in place of y, I have substituted minus A. So AB minus into minus plus B into AB. AB plus AB, 2AB. You got RHS. When you take LHS, here I substituted in LHS, you got RHS. As our answers are true, x is equal to B and y is equal to minus A are correct answers. I have given two methods. First method, previous method in last video. Now alternate method. Many methods you have. You can solve any method, but you should get you have to verify the answers whether you are getting the values of x and y are correct or not. Like this you have to do. Hi students, next what is the 19th problem? You read the problem. Kavita thought of constructing 2 more rooms in her house. She inquired about the labor. She came to know that 6 men and 8 women could finish the work in 40 days, but she wished to complete the work in 10 days. She wanted to do the work early, in 10 days. When she inquired, she was told that 8 men and 12 women could finish the work in 10 days. Find out how much time would be taken to finish the work if 1 man and 1 woman work alone. To finish the work, he takes x days. In 1 day, how much work he will do? 1 by x of the work. To finish the work, woman takes y days, and in 1 day, how much work she will do? 1 by y of the work in 1 day. In 1 day, 1 by x of the work a man can do. By 6 men, how much work? 6 by x of the work. How? 8 men in 1 day, 1 by of the work she will do. 8 women can do 8 by y of the work. Both together, how much work will be done in 1 day? 6 by x plus 8 by y of the work. They both together work in 1 day. 6 by x plus 8 by y of the work they will do in 1 day. See, read again. 6 men and 8 women could finish the work in 14 days. They will complete the work in 14 days. In 1 day, how much work? In 14 days, they will do the complete work, both together. In 1 day, they will do 1 by 14 of the work. They will do 1 by 14 of the work. They will do both together. In 14 days, they will complete the work. Both together, they will complete the work in 14 days. In 1 day, both together will do 1 by 14th of the work. In 1 day, they will do 1 by 14th of the work. And in 1 day, 6 by x plus 8 by y of the work they will do. We have to equate these two. 6 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 14. This is equation 1. We have to find another pair of linear equation. You see, you read again. She wished to complete the work that is in 10 days. She wanted to do the work early by taking 8 men and 12 men. She wanted to complete the work in 10 days. Now we have to, in one day, both together, 8 by x plus 12 by y, in one day, both together will work 8 by x plus 12 by y of the work they will do in one day, and they both together complete the work in 10 days. In one day, both together will work, both together in one day, how much work they will do? 1 by 10th of the work. In one day, they will do 1 by 10th of the work. Now, equate 8 by x plus 12 by y is equal to 1 by 10. This is equation 2. We have two equations. First equation is this, and second equation is this, pair of linear equations. I will write both together. 6 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 14, and another equation 8 by x plus 12 by y is equal to 1 by 10. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to solve these two equations and find the values of x and y. We will get the time taken by a man to finish the work, that is x days. Time taken by woman to finish the work, y days. We have to find the values of x and y from these two pair of linear equations. We have pair of linear equations. 6 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 14, and 8 by x plus 12 by y is equal to 1 by 10, second equation. These two are pair of linear equations. And you take 1 by, we have to reduce this pair of linear equations into another pair of linear equations, and we have to find the values of x and y. Now, see, 1 by x is equal to p. This 6, it can be written as, this equation can be written as 6 into 1 by x plus 8 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 40. And also this equation can be written as 8 into 1 by x plus 12 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 10. Already this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This equation can be written as 6 into, z implies 6 into, what is 1 by x here? 1 by x is equal to p. 6 into p plus 8 into 1 by y is equal to q. 8q is equal to 1 by 14. Next, 8 into, and also this equation can be written as 8p plus 12q is equal to 1 by 10. Now 6p, you multiply 14 into 6, cross multiplication. 14 6 are 84p plus 14 8s are 112q is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Next, 10 into 8, 80p plus 10 into 12, 120q is equal to, here you got only 1. This is equation 2. We have two equations. We have to equate first term so that we can cancel by subtracting this equation from this equation. Now what we have to do, I will tell you one technique. First take LCM for 84 and 80. First you have to take LCM for this one. You see, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 2s are. It can be written as 4 into 21 into 20. Now you see, you have to multiply 84. You multiply this with this, you will get 84 into 20. Just this is one of the techniques. You see 84 is there, you multiply it with 20, and by which number we have to multiply? 80 is there. You see 4 into 20. 4 into 20 into 20. Now we have to multiply. Now 4 into 20 into 21. We have to multiply 4 into 2. 4 2 is 8. 80 into 21. We have to multiply it with 21. Now you see 2. You multiply this with 20. It becomes 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. And 0 remaining 1680p plus you multiply 20 with 112. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 0 remaining q is equal to 20 into 1 20. Now next you multiply this equation with 21. 21 into 80, automatically you will get 1680. You see 8 into 1 8. 8 2s are 16 and 0 is take down plus 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 1. 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 25 and 0 is there. 0q is equal to 21 into 1 21. Now we have to solve these two equations. Subtract this equation from this equation. You see, plus becomes minus. Subtracting. You have to subtract. Plus becomes minus. See, plus here plus is there, becomes minus. Plus 1680p minus 1680p gets cancelled, and you will have 20 minus 2520 minus 2240. 2520 minus 2240. 2240. 0. 12 minus 4 8 and 4 minus 2 2. 280. You are getting minus 280q is equal to 120 minus 21 minus 1, and you will have minus minus cancel. 280 is q is equal to 1, and you will get q is equal to 1 by 280. Take 80p plus 120q is equal to 1 you take. Now take second equation, 80p plus 120q is equal to 1. One of these two equations you can take. It is easy for you if you take 80p plus 120q is equal to 1. See, 80p plus 120q. What is the value of q here? 1 by 280. 1 by 280 is equal to 1. Now, 80p plus 0 cancel. 4 3s are 4 7s are. You will have 3 by 7 is equal to 1. We have got 80p plus 3 by 7 is equal to 1. Now you take 80p plus 3 by 7 is equal to 1, implies 80p is equal to 1 minus 3 by 7. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 3 is there, you will have 4 by 7. We got 80p is equal to 4 by 7. I have already told you can cancel these two. If plus 3 or something is not there, 4 ones are 420. You will have 20p is equal to 1 by 7, and you will get p is equal to 1 by 7 2s are 40, 140. Now p is equal to 1 by 140 and q is equal to 1 by 280. Now, what is the value of P here? 1 by x is equal to P. P is equal to 1 by x. P is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 140. You will have, therefore, x is equal to 140. And next Q. What is Q here? Q is 1 by y. Substitute Q is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 280. And what is the value of, therefore, y is equal to 280. Now you got x is equal to 140 and y is equal to 280. Man can finish the work individually in 140 days. Woman can finish the work individually in 280 days. Man can finish the work in how many days? 140 days. Now, women can finish the work in 280 days. Now we have 20th problem. A man travels 370 kilometers partly by train and partly by car. He travels by train and car 370 kilometers. If he covers 250 kilometers by train and rest by car, it takes him 4 hours. But he travels 130 kilometers by train and rest by car. It takes 18 minutes more. Means 4 hours 18 minutes. Next, find the speed of the train and the tough car. You observe the problem. In the problem, he has given distance 370 kilometers and he has given time taken by train and car 4 hours. Time he has given and also he has given distance. He is asking us to find the speed of the train and the tough car. You know what is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Now, see first solution. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour, kmph, kilometers per hour. Remember. See next, and the speed of the car be y kmph, kilometers per hour. Now first, what a man travels 370 kilometers partly by train and partly by car. He covers 250 kilometers by train. First you take like this: train, car. Time. What is the time? In hours. See, what is the train? 250 kilometers. 250 kilometers and car 370 kilometers. Rest by car 370 kilometers. 370 minus 250. 370 minus 250. 120 kilometers. He travels by car 120 kilometers. If you add them, you will get 370. He travels train by 250 kilometers and car by 120 kilometers. Total 370 kilometers. What is the time he takes? 4 hours. It is 4 hours. Now, next, but he travels 130 kilometers by train and rest by car. It takes 18 minutes more. Means 4 hours 18 minutes he took. How many kilometers train travels? He travels by train 130 kilometers and rest by car. Means what is the total kilometers? 370 minus 130. He is traveling rest by car means he travels 240 kilometers by car. How much time he has taken? 4 hours 18 minutes. 4 hours 18 minutes. You have to convert 18 minutes into hours. Means divided by 60. See, 6 3s are 6 10s are. You will have 4 10s are 40. 43. You will get 43 by 10. Now we have to find the time taken by the train and car. We have to find out. You see, you know what is the speed? What is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. See, we need time is equal to distance. We need to find time. Distance by speed. Now you write time spent in traveling by car. Traveling by train you take. Now distance by time we have to find out. We have to find time. Distance by speed. What is the distance he traveled? 250 kilometers. 250 kilometers by what is the speed? Speed we have taken x kilometers. X kilometers per hour means it goes upside. It is easy to understand. Kilometers per hour means by hour. Hour goes like this, and I want to make you understand. You will get 250 by x hours. Next, time spent in traveling by train, traveling by car. What is the distance by? Distance by speed. What is the distance? He traveled 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers by what is the speed of the car? Y km each. Y kilometers per hour means it goes like this, and you will have 120 by y hours. Time spent in traveling by train is 120 by x hours, and time spent in traveling by car is 120 by y hours. Now he has taken how many? Time spent in 4 hours. He has spent time in 4 hours. If you add these two, you will get 4 hours. We have to add total time spent means traveling by train and traveling by car. Train and car is equal to how much? 4 hours. This is if you add these two. Time spent. See, time spent traveling by train and traveling by car. You have to add 250 by x plus 120 by y. It is total together 4 hours is equal to 4 hours. You got one of the equations you got. You have to prepare another equation. You see, 130 kilometers and rest by car. 130 by x and 240 by y is equal to 43 by 10. What is the second equation you can write? 130 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 43 by 10. This is equation 2. We have two pair of linear equations. You have to reduce these pair of linear equations into another pair of linear equations and find the values of x and y. You will get speed of the train in kilometers per hour and speed of the car you will get in kilometers per hour. Now we prepared pair of linear equations and we have to reduce the pair of linear equations into another pair of linear equations and find the values of x and y. You see, this can be, you see, 250, 124, you take 2 common, it can be written as 125. It can be written as 125 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 2 2s are 2. I have taken 2 common, 125 plus 60 plus 2, like that, and 130 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 43 by 10. See, you know 125 into 1 by x plus 60 into 1 by y is equal to 2, and this can be written as 130 into 1 by x plus 240 into 1 by y is equal to 43 by 10 you have. Now, see, 1 by x is equal to p. 1 by x is equal to p you take, or a, anything you can take, and 1 by y is equal to q you take. This can be written as 125p plus 60q is equal to, see, 2. This is equation 1. And 130p plus 240q. 130p plus 240q is equal to 43 by 10. As we got two equations, 125p plus 60q is equal to 2. 130p plus 240q is equal to 43 by 10. We will equate these two terms. I have to multiply with 4 and I will multiply it with 1. 4 into 125 means you will get 500p, means 125 plus 125, 250. 250 plus 250, 500. 500p plus 4 into 60 means 240q is equal to 4 2s are 8. Next you multiply this equation with 1, you will have 130p plus 240q is equal to 43 by 10. Subtract this equation from this equation. Subtract. Because both are plus signs, they are having plus signs. Here plus is there, becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Here plus is there, becomes minus. See, plus 240q minus 240q cancels. 0 you will get, 7 you will get, 4 minus 1, 3. 370p is equal to, you will get 8 minus 43 by 10. You will have 8 minus 43 by 10. 370p is equal to, you take LCM 10, you will have 80 minus 43. You will get is equal to 7. You will have 7 minus 4, 3, 37 by 10. As 370p is equal to 37 by 10, you will get, implies you will have 3700p is equal to 37. Now p we have to find out. Now 3700p is equal to 37, and you will get p is equal to 37 by, here it divides, 37 hundreds. You will get p is equal to 1 by 100. 37 cancel, 37 ones are 37 hundreds, 1 by 100. You got p is equal to 1 by 100. Now substitute the value of p is equal to 1 by 100 in one of these two equations. I will take this equation, 125p plus 60q is equal to 2. I will take, substitute the value of p is equal to 1 by 100 in this equation. You will get the value of q. Now 125 into, what is the value of p? 1 by 100 plus 60q is equal to 2. Now See, 25 4s are 25 5s are 5 by 4 plus 60q is equal to 2, and you will have 60q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 4. Here plus is there, no, it goes that side, it becomes minus 5 by 4. You will have 60q is equal to, take LCM, 4 2s are 8 minus 5. You will have 3 by 4. You got 60q is equal to 3 by 4. You see, I have already told you can cancel. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 20s. You will have 20q is equal to 1 by 4, and qu you will get 1 by 80. You see, 4 2s are 80. 8 4 2s are 8. You will get q is equal to 1 by 1 q you got 1 by 80. And what is the p you got here? 1 by 100. Now substitute the values of p and q here. You will get the values of x and y. Next I will rub the board and we will find the value of p and q, so that you can find the speed of the train and speed of the car you can find out. Now we have 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. What is 1 by x is equal to, what is the value of p you got? 1 by 100 implies x is equal to 100. Next, what is 1 by y? What is the value of q you got? 1 by 80. Y is equal to 80 you will get. Now you can write what we have to find out: speed of the train and speed of the car individually. If he travels by train, what is the speed of the train? If he travels by car, what is the speed of the car? See, what is the speed of the train? Speed of the train 100 kmph, kilometers per hour. 100 kmph, 100 kilometers per hour. Now what is the speed of the car if he travels individually? 80 kmph, 80 kilometers per hour. Like this you have to do, and we have to convert the problem into pair of linear equations, and you have to find the speed of the train and speed of the car. First you observe what is the question he asked. You have to start from here: speed of the train and speed of the car. Let the speed of the train is x and let the speed of the car is y. Then he has given time. You should know the time is equal to distance by speed. He has given time. That's why you should remember how to do the problem, what is given, what to do.